Good afternoon, students. Welcome back in IT class. Our 4 chapters are finished now. Today we will do worksheet first. In this we have mixed questions of all 4 chapters. So open your book and fill this exercise on page number 44. First of all we will do name the following. Here you have to give the answer in one word. Question first is first mechanical device used for calculations. Answer is abacus. Abacus was the first mechanical device that is used for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Second is device invented by Blaise Pascal in 1642. Answer is the Pascaline was invented by Blaise Pascal in 1642 and it is also called as the arithmetic machine. Third is IBM 350 belongs to this generation. Answer is second generation. IBM 350 is the example of second generation computers. Fourth is a fifth generation computer. Answer is Siri. Siri, Cortana, Alexa are the examples of fifth generation computer. Fifth is time period of third generation computers. Answer is 1964 to 1971. Third generation computers were developed between 1964 to 1971. Now we will do match the following. First column is memory and second column is features. First is RAM. Answer is C. Random access memory. What is the full form of RAM? Random access memory. Second is ROM. Answer is E. ROM is non-volatile memory. The data and instructions stored in this memory are retained even when the computer is switched off. Since the memory retains its contents, this memory is known as non-volatile memory. Third is CD. Answer is A. It is one type of disk with read-only memory. Fourth is DVD. Answer is B. In DVD we can store 4.37 GB data. Fifth is pen drive. Answer is D. Pen drive is very easy to use and very small and portable device. Now we will do fill in the blanks. First is dash is a system folder that allows you to make changes in the appearance of operating system. Answer is settings. Settings is a system folder that allows you to make changes in the appearance of operating system. If we want to changes in appearance of operating system, then we will open settings option, and settings is a one type of system folder. Second is dash category allows you to change the date and time of your computer. Answer is date and time category allows you to change the date and time of your computer. If we want to change the date and time of our computer, then we will select date and time category. Third is dash is a system folder that stores deleted files in Ubuntu. Answer is trash is a system folder that stores deleted files in Ubuntu. We can store all the deleted files in trash folder. Fourth is deleted files can be recovered using dash option. Answer is restore from trash option. If we want to recover any deleted files, then we will choose restore from trash option. Fifth is settings is a dash folder in Ubuntu. Answer is settings is a system folder in Ubuntu. Now we will do rearrange the steps to add a table in LibreOffice Writer. Place the cursor where you want to insert the table. जहाँ भी आपको टेबल इंसर्ट करनी है अपने कर्सर को आप प्लेस करेंगे. सेकेंड इज चेक click the table menu, then you will click on table menu. Third is click on insert table option. First of all you will click on table menu and then you will click on insert table option because you want to insert one type of table. Fourth is insert table dialog box appears. Whenever you will click on insert table option देन आपको एक इंसर्ट टेबल डायलॉग बॉक्स ओपन होगा. फिफ्थ इज एंटर द रिक्वायर्ड नंबर ऑफ रोज एंड कॉलम्स इन द इंसर्ट टेबल. आपको जितनी भी रोज और कॉलम्स की रिक्वायरमेंट है देन यू विल एंटर द रिक्वायर्ड नंबर. सिक्स्थ इज द टेबल अपीयर्स. टेबल विल बी इंसर्टेड इन द राइटर डॉक्यूमेंट. सो our worksheet first is finished now. Please complete your work, do neat and clean work and start learning. I will take test of chapter first and second both, so be prepared for this. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.